Hi there, do you know that TCL is one of the fastest growing TV brands in the world? What makes their 55-inch Google TV stand out? Stick around and let's find out together. Today we are unboxing the king of smart TVs, TCL 55 inches Google TV. Get ready for the ultimate viewing experience. Alright, let's talk about the beauty in the room. With so many TV options out there, choosing the right one can feel like a total maze. You have got brands, sizes, smart features, and price all swirling around, making it a super tricky to decide. So is this TCL model the right choice for you? Well, that is what you're here to find out. We want to make sure you get the best bang for your buck without getting lost in the sea of choices. Now let's get into the fun part, the unboxing. As we pop up the box open, the first thing you'll notice is how beautiful the packaging is. It is like they really want to impress you right from the get-go. Inside we have the TV itself, a remote control, power cable, and some quick start guides. The design is super model with a frameless shape that really makes the screen pop. Setting up this TV is like setting up a Sia stand, easy and straightforward. Moving on to the features, this TV runs on Google TV, which means you are getting access to a ton of apps and services right at your fingertips. The interface looks clean and user-friendly. First impression, I'm really digging it, and what's about it on, the pictures blew me away, and the colors are vibrant, the details are sharp. Gaming on this TV is like playing football with Messi. Smooth and unstoppable. The 4K revolution is like looking at the world through a crystal ball. Now for the big review, after testing it out, I have to say the standard features for me has to be its voice control capabilities. You can search for things and control the volume and even ask about the weather just by using your voice. However, let's not gloss over the potential drawbacks. One thing I noticed is that while the TV has a great features, the sound quality might not be up to par. For some audio files, you might want to consider pairing it with a soundbar for that full cinematic experience. So is this TCL a winner or a pass? To wrap things up, the TCL 55-inch Google TV offers fantastic value for money, especially if you're looking for a TV with tons of features. The picture quality is impressive and the Google TV interface is a breeze to navigate. It's definitely worth considering if you're in the market for a new TV. Now that you have heard all about the TCL 55-inch Google TV, I want to know what you think. Are you considering getting one for yourself? Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And also check my other videos for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.